Hello YouTube. Just a quick note about saving some space and some weight in your survival bag. I just got rid of my tackle box, and then I just got a piece of styrofoam, and I'll just put all my lures, extra hooks, leaders, and I have all my jigs like set up already, so they're ready to go. So as soon as you stop, see a river, you're ready to go. You got your lures, extra hooks, trebles, and you're good to go. So this weighs nothing, like it's super light, and you got your weights and for a knife, and you got your little fishing rod here. So all that just goes into like a plastic bag with your little weights, split shots, and you got the whole set. I think it's pretty cool. Doesn't take any space or any weight. Like this is 1/4, no, not even less than my tackle box altogether. So there you go. Oh, you could just throw in a couple of extra little minnows. They weigh nothing. But you already have some extra worms in there anyway, some plastic worms. There you go. Airtight. That'll just fit right in any little pocket on your backpack. And it doesn't weigh anything, and you got way more than enough you need to catch a fish in a survival situation. So, well, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.